Want to mention everyone in a WhatsApp group at once? Here's how to mention all members in a WhatsApp group in 2026 on iPhone and Android. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Mentioning all members sends a notification to everyone in the group, so your message doesn't get missed. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. From the Chats page, tap the Group Chat, where you want to mention everyone. Tap the message bar at the bottom to bring up the keyboard. Tap the numbers or symbols key on your keyboard, then tap the @ symbol. After the @ symbol, type everyone. This will automatically mention all members in the group. Tap the Send button. You've now successfully mentioned everyone in the group. You can also mention individual members by typing at and then their name. This feature may not be available in all groups or regions yet. Make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Use at everyone only when necessary so you don't spam group members. And that's it. That's how to mention all members in a WhatsApp group in 2026. Subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.